If you're interested in the top 5 sunrise alarm clocks, then this video is for you. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. First up, we have the Sunrise Alarm Clock. The Sunrise Alarm Clock is our pick for the best value-priced alarm clock. This sunrise simulator clocks in at under $30 and does an excellent job of simulating a natural sunrise. Segue to next segment. The Sunrise Alarm Clock can help you fall asleep faster and sleep better by introducing these changes in your circadian rhythm, which is the cycle of physiological changes in the body that make you feel awake or sleepy. Our bodies are hardwired to follow a daily rhythm with peaks of alertness during daylight hours and troughs of drowsiness at night, governed by our circadian rhythms, which are regulated by light levels in our environment. The sun regulates this cycle with its light level intensities, going from its brightest strength at noon to its lowest strength at dawn. By introducing a rising brightness at the beginning of your morning routine that mirrors this pattern, it can help prepare you for an active day ahead while also helping you get out of bed more easily. I'm very excited to share with you our next product, the Hatch Restore. The Hatch Restore is a well-rounded product that focuses on creating a sleep routine out of a variety of different products that all help your mind and body relax before going to sleep. It features quite possibly the most soothing sounds of any device we have come across, with over 30 different sounds available for you to use, including soft music, gentle nature sounds, and even Doppler winds. These are all perfect for helping you wind down before bedtime. With its touch-based interface and portability, it makes it easy to use while in bed without leaving anything behind or having to plug it in. All of these sounds are then illuminated by an integrated soft glow lighting system, which helpfully acts as both a night light and an alarm clock all at the same time. There is also the option for white noise if you would rather just block out everything around you rather than be soothed by music. In addition to acting as your own personal sound machine at home or when traveling, there's also free access to unlimited new content such as meditations, sleep stories, soundscapes, and more on their Hatchery Sleep membership subscription service that can be easily managed from within the app itself. If you're a light sleeper, then the Touch Wake Up Night Light is the alarm clock for you. If you have trouble getting up in the morning, then this sunrise simulation alarm clock can be a real lifesaver. The Touch Wake Up contains a soft lighting display that resembles a sunrise and slowly becomes brighter to match your increasing levels of consciousness as it helps gently rouse you from sleep and naturally prepares your body for rising through its warm white display. You can also set it to simulate either 10 or 30 minutes before or after your desired awakening time, allowing extra time that our bodies need to rest before we get out of bed. The Touch Wake Up comes with 5 natural sound effects and can be used as a normal speaker for music or podcasts if desired. It even allows children to feel less alone when they are scared of being left alone in the morning by turning on its bedside lamp mode while they are still sleeping, so they don't feel so scared anymore. All these features make this Touch Wake Up alarm clock an excellent choice for anyone who suffers from a cold start in the morning. Next, let's take a look at the Otoki Digital Dual Alarm Clock for the bedroom. If you are someone who sleeps through your alarm clock, the Otoki is for you. This little device can really make a big difference in your mornings. The Otoki sports a large 4.9-inch display that can easily be viewed from a distance and has an easy dimmer dial, so you don't have to wake up to a bright light in the room. It features multiple audio alarms, so you can set 2 separate alarms, perfect for different schedules if you need to get out of bed early or late on certain days of the week or even different weekends in place. As an added convenience, set both alarms on weekdays and weekends to help keep yourself on track and waking up at times when it suits your schedule best. All buttons do one task and are clearly labeled, make setting the time or alarm extremely intuitive and straightforward. It has 12 or 24-hour time display option, It's super customizable with 5 adjustable volume sounds that start quietly and become louder as they approach full volume over 30 seconds. Same deal with its 752 alarm mode so that there is no abrupt startle factor waking you up in the morning. Finally, there is also an easy snooze feature with even easier to reach snooze button, so when needing 9 extra minutes of rest without fumbling around. Last on our list is the Sunrise Alarm Clock. If you are a heavy sleeper, this little gadget can give you an energy-boosting and romantic start to your day. The Sunrise Alarm Clock features an ARGB full-screen display with 7 color atmosphere lamp effects that create a mesmerizing visual effect to signal that it is time to wake up. It comes with fully personalized dual alarm clock settings, giving you and your family the ability to set independent weekend/workday/full 7-day modes. It also has a snooze button that allows you to conveniently shut off the buzzer without having to open eyes, so that you can get an extra 9 minutes of sleep without oversleeping. Jody from Canada gave this product 5 stars and said, "Kids love it. Light mimics a sunrise, and the kids love the sounds and radio." There is always a lot to think about when making an informed purchase, but hopefully we've given you the confidence to take the next step. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.